Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
If I get a chance, I'd wear my summer clothes all throughout the year. But there are 3 months when there is no way out, the cold, chilly winters. I mean, even when it's not freezing everywhere, there are some parts of the day where you still can't wear your summer dress without feeling cold. But there's an easy way out. You can easily incorporate your summer staples into your winter wardrobe by smart layering. Elevate this classic combo with your ripped denims acting as the statement piece. Make sure you opt for smaller rips to keep yourself warm. Wear your favorite shorts with a sweater and in western calf-length boots. They'll keep you warm and cozy on those pleasant winter days. Dungarees are the perfect all-purpose outfit to take from season to season. Complete this retro look with a fanny pack and oxfords. The easiest way to wear a crop top in winters is pairing it with high-rise pants and a bomber. That way only a few inches of your midriff will be exposed to the cold. Go for combat heels and leather pants and you've got yourself a killer look for the night. Now I know this wouldn't be the first choice for everyone, but this is a good way of wearing a bralette without feeling like you're revealing too much. Just layer it with a shirt top underneath and blazer on top for a glamorous look. So now you don't need to pack all your summer outfits and you can wear them all year long. I hope this video helped you. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got amazing stuff. We have sweatshirts, coasters, laptop skin, phone covers and a lot more. The link is in the description box below. Also, for more fashion tips and styling tips and news on celebrity looks, keep watching POPxo Fashion.